an opinion that you have about yourself, for example, and then saying, is that really true? Is that, does that feel true in my body? Is that, you know, how else can I see it? Is there a different way to look at it? Is there a different spin on it? And there's a great book. I can't remember the author right now, but it's about the happiest children, I think, are in Sweden. It might be Norway. But they're all about reframing. That's like the number one parenting tool is about reframing. And I feel like, there's just so many different applications for that. But there's other people that are more of an expert in that arena than I am.
Wow, that is awesome. I know that you talk a lot about frequency
Mm-hmm.
and our nervous system.